I was in a ton of credit card debt. I'm talking about 30K, thousand. Yes, 30,000. You heard me right, in credit card debt. But somehow I managed to clear that debt. My credit is beautiful. And yeah, life is good. So today I'm going to share with you all how I was able to clear all of that credit card debt. Now, just a little bit of a backstory. Of course, I'm a professional in academia, and let's just face it, academia, we don't make that much money, okay? And so I was put in a predicament where I did not want to teach over the summers because, whatever circumstances. And so a few years ago, because I wasn't teaching over the summers, we were living off credit cards, right? We had to supplement our income in some way. And it was a new space for me. And I'm telling the backstory because I know many of us, we fall in these situations or in these instances, and we think, oh, it's the end of the world and all that good stuff. But no. But at any rate, I got to a point where we were living off our credit cards and our income was less than our expenses. And so I think it was a few years ago, I looked at my credit card. And so we're making payments. So we came up with a plan to make payments. And so, that's the first thing that you got to do. When you're in debt and you realize, this debt is accumulating or it's getting bigger, you have to come to the conscious decision. If you've been on this channel for a while, I talk a lot about your mindset. You have to come to a kumbaya with you and yourself and say, this is it. Enough is enough. And so when I say we, I'm talking about my husband and I. We decided this is enough. And to be frank with you, I was over it. I was like, this is crazy. And as a mathematician, I was looking at the credit card debt, right? But what really bothered me was the high interest. So, for instance, I would be making about $200 a month in interest payment. And so if I paid $800 on the credit card, only $600 goes to the principal balance, right? Because $200 keeps going to the interest. And I'm like, that's a lot of money. So no, of course, I'm doing the math. I'm like, $200, and this was like several cards. So together it was like about $600 in interest, right? Just for the credit cards. And so I was like, it's a lot of money. And then when I did it for the year, I was like, 6 times 12, that's 72. And so I'm paying $7,000, $7,200 in interest to the credit card company in order to pay off this debt. And I was like, I'm looking for my exit, right? I'm looking for how to get rid of this debt. And so to clear it. Right, this was my goal. But when I was looking at the math, it wasn't mathing. The math wasn't mathing. It wasn't giving me payoff, right? I would call the credit card company and I would say, hey, how can I pay off this debt? Do you have any program for me? And of course, there's scams out there. Now, I never tried any of them. And I'm sure some of these programs actually probably are sufficient and they do debt relief, this, blah, blah, blah. And I felt for them and I was like, let me look into them. To me, it was a whole lot of fraud because I think it meant doing what do you call it? Not foreclosure. The word I'm looking for is where they clear your, it's going to come to me at some point. Right. And so bankruptcy, right. You file bankruptcy and you decide, okay, I'm starting afresh, but that really affects you in life. And so I was like, I'm not filing bankruptcy. What you talking about? Because it's not like I wasn't making payments. And so for those of us who, let's say you cannot make the payments, that's a whole different story. So that's not for, so this scenario is not for people who, let's say you cannot make payments at all. It was in the situation where we were making payments. We were trying to clear the debt, but it was so much money going to interest that I was really bothered. And so what we decided was, and this helped us so much, we decided to get a private loan. Yes. So when I say a private loan, so mind you, my credit cards, their interest rate were, I want to say 20, the least was about 23%. The max was about 28% APR. That's a lot of money, right? And so we were looking for loans, and in the atmosphere, we were looking for we were looking for a lower interest rate. And to be honest with you, any personal loan, actually, let me fix that. If you have good credit, any personal loan is going to be less than 28% interest rate, or should be. So our credits were over 700, and so it was easy for us to get our loan, because as I said, we were making our payments and stuff like that. It was just a matter of this interest. Like, we're paying so much, and so we're paying less to the principal or whatever. Anyways, at any rate, I was able to get a credit union loan. Usually your credit union, if you bank with a credit union, if not, you'll have to open a credit union account in the event that you are qualified for their loan, because I qualified for several loans. And so I got the lowest rate at the time. It was about 9%. That's still not great. I'm looking for about 2%. But okay. And so what happens here, and if you're taking out a loan from your credit union and you say you're doing debt conciliation, because I learned that the hard way. I didn't know I needed to say that. So I'm going to them and like, give me 30K. Can I get 30K, bruh? Let me hold 30K, right? That's what I was telling the credit card companies. Not the credit card companies, but the banks. And they're like, girl, what you talking about? No. And so they're like, you have great credit, but you have all this credit card debt, right? Because the debt was there too. But when I changed, like, there was a part of the loan that asked you to take what the loan is for. I used to take in the application, I would take other. And then one of the loan officers called and he was kind of like, what do you need the money for? And I was like, oh, to pay off the credit card. And they said, oh, that's a no-brainer. And so they're more likely to give you the money if you are paying off debt. And the caveat here, though, they're not giving you the money. They're going to send the money directly to the credit card company to pay it off, because they want to make sure you're paying the credit card company. Okay. It was fine by me. I was like, do whatever you need to do. Let's just get this started. And so we were able to get the 9%. And of course, the money that we were paying, now we were only paying 9%. So less than half of what we were paying in interest. We were paying about, I want to say 150 overall, right? Remember I told you it was about 500 total that we were paying towards interest. And now we were down to about 150, maybe 200, I want to say. I'm not 100%, but I think it was between that range. But it was really good. I think the life of the loan, we paid about $2,000 for the interest. So we paid $2,000 for the loan. But remember I told you initially, we were paying $7,200 a year. Okay? A year. And we took out a lifetime of 2 years for the loan that we took with our credit card company. And so do the math, okay? $2,000 for the lifetime of 2 years compared to $7,200 for a year, per year. And I don't think we would have even paid off the cards ever. I think the credit card companies are a scam. No shade, no tea. They're a scam for people who are not proficient with money management. And so I say all of this to say, if you have credit card debt, one of the things that you can consider is getting a personal loan with your credit union. And if you don't have a credit union that you bank with, you can simply, I think you need about $5 to $10 to open the credit union account. And then you can just get a loan that way. It will save you thousands, like it saved us, if you do that route, and you will be able to pay off that credit card. But I will say a disclaimer here. We made up our minds and we were like, we're not doing this anymore. We already put down the credit card. So it's not like we were still living off credit cards and stuff like that. No. So you have to say, one, I'm done with this lifestyle. Not that we were like, but we got comfortable with the debt. And so we're like, no, we're done with this lifestyle. We're ready to build our wealth, and this is holding us back. And so we were done. So the mindset was made up. Okay, so you have to make your mind up. 2, you have to come up with a plan, right? And so I already had like calculators. You can literally Google loan repayment calculator. So I already had calculators set to say how much would I pay per month if we were to pay off this. So remember I was telling you, we were paying $600 here, $500 there. So we were already paying over $1,000 total to pay off. Remember, it's $30K. So you don't have it. $1,000 might sound like a lot of money, but we had a lot of debt. So we had to pay all the credit cards, we had to pay the monthly payments and stuff like that. But I say all this to say, one, you have to have the mindset ready. I'm done with this. I'm not living like this anymore. I don't want to owe the credit card company, and I don't want to pay this much in interest. And then two, you also have to come up with a plan of how you're going to pay off this loan, right? So when you get the loan from the credit card, from the credit union, you're going to have to make monthly payment. And so we were prepared to make our new monthly payment, which was lower than what we were paying before anyway. But now more of the money was going towards the principal, so we could pay the loan off quicker than we would pay off the credit cards, right? And the last but most important thing is you cannot keep using those credit cards, right? So we had all this credit, but we just weren't using it. We were using cash or another card for like gas and stuff like that. So you have to really make your mind up, okay? I know I spent a lot of time here, but it wasn't a no-brainer for us initially. It took a while for us to get to this point. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please like, subscribe, share with someone who you know may be in credit card debt. I may make a video for those of us who are in credit card debt and can't make the payments and what you need to do. All right. So have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.